Hello, welcome to another Arizona Airgun Hunter adventure. Today's adventure takes place on the north side of my permission. I'm shooting from one of my favorite positions, the hay bales. The hay bales are approximately 60 yards to the wire. Today's target are the Eurasian Dove. I'm shooting my AirForce Condor 25 cal. Pellet of choice, JSB 25.39 grain pellets. It's been a few weeks since I last posted a video. This is due to my family vacation in Greece. It's a little difficult to put together a video while vacationing with the family in Greece. Our summer vacation in Greece is an annual trip that allows my wife to visit her family and for my kids to see their grandparents, aunts, uncles, cousins, and friends. And we are constantly on the go. However, before leaving the States, I did quite a bit of shooting, and I managed to put this video together. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope you enjoy the footage. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, share, comment,